So I have the TE World interior cleaner for Teslas here. So this is made specifically for Teslas. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. So I have my Tesla here. I have the white interior. So this is a really nice product designed specifically for the vegan leather that is in the Teslas. You can use it on seats, any of the interior in your car. So basically you just spray it on and wipe. For perforated seats like this, you can always want to spray it onto the towel first and then wipe. So as you can see, it's really nice and easy to use. It comes in a nice large bottle, either the pink or the blue color. So you get 17 ounces, so this will last you a long time. It's safe with the vegan leather, made specifically for your nice seats in your Tesla. The smell is really nice, a little bit of citrusy smell. So if you have a Tesla and you're looking to keep it clean, be sure you check this out.